Welcome to the Teaching Bites podcast. Here are your hosts, Fred and Sharon Jaravada.
Hi, everyone. This is a quick bonus episode during this week. This is a special week. Tomorrow, on November 8th, is Election Day. Here in the United States, we have an election that is pretty pivotal in our history. So Sharon and I want to give you guys some tips on voting. Now, we want to make sure that you should vote whoever you want to vote for.
Yeah, I mean, it's our very important privilege to have, and we should exercise the right to vote.
Yes.
We already voted. I didn't vote for every single proposition.
So we mailed in our vote.
We mailed it. Oops. Did it early, but I'm really nervous.
We mailed it in because it was just too, we have young kids. It was just too hard to get to the polling place from work. It's just a lot,
Yeah.
But yeah, so this episode is called Vote For ... And here is the thing. Now, for president, we have the Democratic nominee, Hillary Clinton. For the Republican Party, we have Donald J. Trump. And we have Gary Johnson for the Libertarian Party. And we have Jill Stein for the Green
Party. Mm-hmm.
So those are the four people running. Now, you'll see those four names on the ballot tomorrow. And if you'll probably see an extra box at the bottom somewhere there. And in that box, you can vote for Fred and Sharon.
Mm-hmm. Write us in. If you don't know who you're going to vote for, why not?
Or if you don't like the people who are running right now, you can just write us in. Or even better yet, why don't you write yourself in? You can do that also.
Mm-hmm.
Right? I think that's legal, right? You can write yourself in.
I think so. If they're not going to... They might. I don't know if they're going to count it.
Check your local laws and all that for election. Also, what's really important, the whole national election for president is huge, right? It's big.
Mm-hmm.
So vote with your heart. Vote for the country. Vote for the children. We're teachers. We love our kids, and we really look for the future of our country. We really want to have liberty for everyone and justice for everyone.
Yeah,
okay.
And besides the presidential election, there's also your local measures, propositions for your states, equally as important. Like, for example, California, we have big ones that support education. And so I'm voting for those because that's, like you said, that's our heart. Mm-hmm. But also, I'm sure you probably are doing some kind of lessons in your school or class that revolve around our democratic voting process. So,
yes, KQED has one, Mindshift. The whole PBS has a lot of online sources. BrainPop has a lot of videos about that too. You can find tons and tons of information on that. But yeah, so good luck tomorrow. Take care. Hope you guys are going to keep in touch and watch what's happening, and we really hope for the best.
Yes.
All right, folks. So this was just a quick episode. We just want to say hi, good luck tomorrow. All right, folks.
And please go vote.
All right, folks.
Bye.
See you later. Peace.
Thank you for listening to the Teaching Bites podcast at www.teachingbites.com.